Hello everyone. Today we will be demonstrating the step-by-step process of submitting and processing an online express permit for the City of Fresno. Express permits are simple permits that can instantly be obtained and paid through the online FAASTER system for the City of Fresno. They can include residential, commercial, and multifamily. At this time, online express permits are limited to the following 4 permits: electrical permits for a main service panel, plumbing permits for a water heater changeout only, mechanical permits for HVAC changeouts only, and re-roof permits. It is very important to know that the online FAASTER system will only be able to process online express permits if the following guidelines are met. Number 1, only licensed professionals can pull an online express permit for a single trade that they are licensed to perform. Number 2, you must have both an active and current contractor's license and a City of Fresno business license. Number 3, only addresses that are not in the special planned areas for the City of Fresno. For example, the Tower District, Downtown Fresno, Lowell District, and any historic areas. Number 4, project addresses cannot have the following: an active code enforcement case, an expired permit, a lock on file for their address. And number 5, for commercial and multifamily online express permits, there may be some limitations for more than one building or unit. For further information and questions on processing your permit, please contact darm.building@fresno.gov. This demonstration is for a plumbing, water heater, changeout online express permit. Let's begin with our demonstration. Please log in to your FAASTER online account. Type in your username or email. Type in your password. Click on Login. You will be at the home page. At the top of your screen, click on the Building tab. Click on Create an Application. Please review and accept the terms of the general disclaimer and check the box. Click on Continue Application. Your screen should look like this. Under Select a Record Type, click on Permit Application. Here you will see a drop-down menu of different building permit applications that are offered. Please select the permit for your scope of work. Click on Continue Application. Please note, if you have to step away from your application submittal for any reason, you can click on the blue tab that is located on the lower right-hand corner and save and resume later. This will let you save what you have entered and come back at a later time when it's more convenient. Let's continue. Step 1, Location and People. Contact Information. Under Applicant, click on Select from Account. If you are the applicant, this will select from your FAASTER account and auto-populate all required fields with your information. This requirement is important for future actions required on this submittal, such as back checks, resubmittals, and amendments. Click on Continue Application. You will return back to Step 1, Location and People, Location Information. Under Address, type in only the street number and street name. Click on Search. Address is required to be a City of Fresno address. Our FAASTER system will automatically input the parcel number and the owner information. Click on Continue Application. Step 2, Permit Information, General Info. For this demonstration, we will be showing a plumbing water heater permit, and we will only type in the information for the items with the asterisks in front. The others are not required fields, but if you would like to type in the information, you can. Under Project Description, type in application name, for example, residential plumbing water heater. Type in detailed description. In this area, type in the scope of the project with more detail of what is being submitted. For example, residential plumbing water heater, tankless, or gallon. Under General Information, select Type of Project, Commercial, Multifamily, Single Family. Select the best choice for your project. Application Type. Here you will select the application type of your project. The selections are as follows: addition, alteration, code compliance, demolition, fire report, new building, notice and order, relocation, repair, tenant improvement. Select the best choice for your project. Under Filing As, the selections are as follows: Licensed Professional, Owner Builder. For online express permits, you must select Licensed Professional. Specify yes or no if you are a licensed professional performing the work. For online express permits, you must select yes. Specify yes or no if there was a pre-inspection. Number of buildings. Type in overall number of buildings that are included in the scope of work for your project. Housing units. Type in overall number of residential units that are included in the scope of work for your project. Specify yes or no if this is related to a fire. Click on Continue Application. Step 2. Continued. Permit Information Licensed Professional. For online express permits, only continue to move forward if you are a licensed professional. Click on Add New if you are a licensed contractor. Under License Type, select Contractor. Under State License Number, type in License Number and click Tab on your keyboard to auto-populate the data field information. Once the data fields are generated, it will automatically inform you if the license number is current and valid. Click on Save and Close. Click on Continue Application. Please note, if you are not a licensed professional, you can still continue your application as a regular permit. The difference will be that you will not be able to instantly obtain and pay for your permit. It will be submitted on the online FAASTER system and a permit technician will process your application. Let's continue on Step 2, Permit Information Attachments. In this step, it is not required to upload any attachments, but you can upload an attachment that you may feel is required for your specific permit, such as a fire report or code enforcement report. If you would like further information on uploading attachments or documents, please refer to our number 102 video, How to Submit an Online Building Plan Application for the City of Fresno. Click on Continue Application. Step 3, Review. In this step, you will review all the information entered and have the opportunity to edit information. Please take the time to review every step of information entered, and most importantly, that you have selected Licensed Professional and have entered the license number. Click on the box to agree to the certification of this application. Click on Continue Application. Step 4, Pay Fees. In this step, you will see your fees automatically populate according to your input of your permit application. Click on Checkout. Under Cart, Step 1, select Item to Pay. In this step, you will see your fees under Pay Now. Click on Checkout, Paying the Fees. Under Cart, select the item to pay. Please note there is a 2.3% convenience fee that will be added to all credit card charges. Under Bills to Pay, you can select to pay by credit or select to pay with e-check. Please make your selection. If you would like further information on paying with a credit card or e-check, please refer to our step-by-step video number 103, How to Check a Project Status and Pay Fees on your City of Fresno online FAASTER account. Once your payment has been processed successfully, your screen should look like this. Please print your receipt and retain a copy for your records. You will also be receiving an email for confirmation of your payment. Now let's print your building permit. Below the address, there will be a new permit number, plan check number, highlighted in blue, starting with a B20 dash and 5 numbers after. Click on the number. This will take you back to the home page. Click on the top tab, Record Info. Click on Attachments. Under Attachments, you will see in light blue text, Building Permit. click on Building Permit. Your building permit will populate and you will be able to print or save to your own computer or USB. Please note, the inspectors will have their regular inspection cards out on the field for job inspections. This concludes our demonstration today. Thank you for following along on our tutorial. If you have any questions, please call the City of Fresno Building Department at 559-621-8003. If you have a suggestion for a tutorial video you would like to see, please email us at faster@fresno.gov. If you found this video informative, be sure to click on the subscribe button before you exit. We will keep updating our tutorial videos to better assist the public, so keep checking back with us. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon.